Today, I would like to interview some of the construction team professional to know more about their job scope. The reason to do so is because nowadays the construction field becoming popular. Today we are so glad that we are able to invite the contractor, Mr. Contractor, to come over to the interview session. And Mr. Contractor, can you talk about your job scope in this construction team?
As a contractor have to hire the subcontractor who are specialized in plumbing, painting, electrical, carpentry, and others to provide all the services for a construction project. Besides, contractor has to be on site regularly, inspecting to the work, providing the answer and resolving the issue to prevent the delay of the project. Furthermore, a contractor basically gets the business through the tendering, offering his best price based on the architect drawing and specification. If the tender submitted by the contractor is successful, he obtains the contract and he is responsible to complete the project within the time stated in the contract document.
Okay, so do you think that your position is very important in this team?
Yep.
Now we would like to introduce the estimator to come over to our interview session. Welcome our estimator, Mr. Estimator. Sir, can you focus on our interview session first?
Sure. It's just a 2.6 billion project.
Alright, sir. Alright, okay. Now, can you describe about your job in this construction team?
Okay. As a estimator or contractor QS, we mix, approximate, and quantities what materials and manpower are required for a construction project. And then we will make a cost analysis of what a project that takes to complete a close estimate of the actual cost. And we have to make sure that it's not too far below or above the final cost.
Okay, let's invite the representative of the client Cloudwork to come over to our interview session. Welcome, Mr. Cloudwork. So, can you describe about your job around this construction team?
So I primarily represent the client in regard to ensure the quality of both the material and the workmanship are in accordance with the drawings and the specifications. So as well, we are qualified from electrical, mechanical, and also from constructions. So we must be vigilant in our inspections. Okay, in large range of technical aspect of the work, which involve making visual inspections, and also become familiar with all the relevant drawings and written instruction, checking them and using them as a reference when we proceeding with the inspection work, and also being familiar with legal requirement. So the work compliance with them, checking the work compliance with them, which is in the legal. Okay, so it's a very important position in the construction team. Okay, so if clerk of works, we have no clerk of works, so the whole construction project is easy to fail. Okay.
All right, thank you, Mr. Cloudwork, for your time. Sir, can we start the interview right now? Alright, so sir, you are the construction manager in the construction team, right?
Yeah.
So can you describe about what is the job scope?
My job scope, I'm planning ahead to prevent problems on site before they occur. For example, planning the delivery and storage of equipment and material. I developing the program of work strategy for making the project happen. I communicated with a rest of people including client, subcontractor, supplier, and the public and the workforce.
Alright, so do you think that your position is very important in
Yeah.
this job?
Sure, because without me, it will lose control.
Alright, sir, thank you for your time. Here is the end of our interview session. So today we are so glad that we can invite the one of the biggest construction material supplier, Mr. Supplier, to come over the interview
Okay, we
session.
can start now.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, as a supplier, we provide all the material and service needed for a building project. For example, a building company may use an external supplier to source the following material such as timber, tools, windows, frames, and roof tile. Supplier also provide the machinery needed for a project. While many construction companies do not have the machinery and tool on hand, so they often use supplier for projects that require more innovative material. Supplier must ensure that the equipment complete with the act and regulation and is in good condition. Thank you.
Alright, thank you, Mr. Supplier, for the information. Alright, today we are so lucky that we are able to invite one of the labor in the construction field. Hi, Mr. Labor.
Hah? Apa? Interview?
Ah,
Interview apa?
interview job scope lah.
Job scope? Apa tu job scope?
Itu kerja yang abang buat.
Oh, okay. Normally, labor got two type. One is unskilled, another one is skilled labor. Okay, for me, I'm skilled labor. Okay, so what I do is, actually we do work outside in all kind of weather or in buildings without heating or air conditioning. Okay. Besides that, carry out dangerous tasks like cleaning waste and chemicals on site. Another one is clean and prepare a job site. Deliver material by using tools and machine. And also set up and take down temporary structure to help other specialists. Another one is operate hand and power tools, equipment and instrument to carry out specialized trade.
So, this is all your job, right, Mr.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you for your time, and we are glad that to collect all the information from you. Thank you.
個 camera 啊！
So, the interview session for today, the construction field has been ended.
Hello?
And every information we need to collect, we have collected. And wait for the final report, and we will do a brief for every job. Start 了。